Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with an astonishing video about high heel sandals. Dear viewers, in this video, I try my best to provide you each and every high heel sandals style which is present in this world. Dear viewers, a woman should wear high heel sandals because of these reasons. Dear viewers, the most obvious of the different benefits of high heel is the additional height. Every individual will have their own reason for wanting to increase their height. A shorter, more petite woman may want to decrease the height difference between herself and a taller, significant partner, whilst a curvy woman may want to appear more streamlined and slender. Height has the ability to create a variety of illusions. Business women appear more dominant. Formal evening wear appears more elegant, and obviously short women appears taller. So dear viewers, for reason unknown, high heels tend to improve the confidence of the women appearing them. With high heels complementing a killer outfit, a woman feels more assertive, which results in increased self-esteem. Confidence is key to an overall improvement in all areas, and we never say no to a little confidence booster. So dear viewers, if you struggle with maintaining good posture, high heels may be the answer you have been looking for. This simple hack for good posture is an age old trick that will have your shoulders back, chest out, and chin up in no time. When wearing high heels, you are much more aware of your movements and may find that you tend to move with more grace and elegance. Due to the heel on the shoe, your back is automatically straightened in an effort to maintain your balance. Once your back is straight, the rest of your body will automatically adjust the desired posture. As a result, it's that easy. So, dear viewers, if you like the video and the reason to wear the high heel sandal, then you must buy a pair of beautiful high heel sandal to satisfy your soul. So, goodbye, friends, till the next video. See you soon.